Prince. Hi. Oh, the rain has returned. I tell ya, up early, out the door before the sun. My wife had hand surgery this morning. It was just outpatient, and thankfully that all went well. So she's home, but boy, did that just screw up my morning. It's now raining, and I don't think I'm gonna get the rest of my dogs. I do need to stop by Jack and give him his heartworm pill, because I'm the only one who can just pill him. So that is it. It is wet and cold, and but I did walk Bo, and it started raining pretty heavy. He doesn't care. He's such a happy puppy. And while my wife was in surgery, my brother was only about 10 minutes away from the surgery center, so I stopped in and I saw my brother's puppy, who is already getting larger. I think he's only like 13 weeks old. Like, what happened to this little puppy? I love it. So that is my day. That's it. Just gonna tell you I appreciate you watching. Say hey to my dad. Hopefully tomorrow this rain will be done. But as always, I'll see you on the next one.